The benefits of a calculator. So, I'm going to need some help with math from you. Yep, I said math. As a future math teacher, this shouldn't scare you at all. You should like this. So, solve this. Find the eigenvalues of this. Graph this. Tick tock, tick tock. Done yet? No? I am. Want to know how? Ta-da! The good old graphing calculator. So helpful with time, accuracy, and more. Now let's see how it can help with this specific problem. Consider the integral from 0 to 3 halves of the square root of 9 minus x squared dx. This is asking for us to basically find the area, in this graph shown here, inside of this shaded area. But then we have to use the polar coordinates, as it's a half circle, giving us the substitution of x equals 3 sine theta, which then we have to use to change our limits, of course, instead to 0 to pi over 6 instead of 0 to 3 halves. When we substitute, we can finally see an integral we can work with. So we manipulate and we simplify until we're left with the simple equation of the 9 halves times the integral from 0 to pi 6 of 1 plus cosine theta d theta. Finally, giving us the answer that we can use of 4.30475. Whew! That was kind of more than we bargained for. Now let's try using our trusty friend, the TI-89 titanium. Input integral function x, 0, 3 halves, and press enter. 4.30475. Sound familiar? I know. You could have done that as well. So why are teachers so against it? Some teachers believe that calculators harm students' conceptual understanding and basic arithmetic skills. However, researchers disagree. Several researchers have found statistically significant evidence stating that calculators can increase the conceptual understanding through visualization. It can increase academic performance through higher accuracy, and also increase students' attitudes about math. Who wouldn't want happier students? In addition, when those students grow up with careers of their own, they'll be using this technology. Companies want efficiency, and efficiency means technology in day-to-day work. Of course, understanding it by hand is very important, but showing your students the benefits of technology is a skill that will benefit them for the rest of their lives.